LG G7, news and rumors. LG pulled out all the stops to deliver one of the year's best smartphones in the G6. With its breakthrough design, massive display for its size, excellent wide-angle camera, and dependable performance, it was a return to form for the company that had something of a misstep with 2016's G5. Almost as soon as LG G6 hit the market in March, rumors already began to swirl about the company's next top-of-the-line handset. Here's everything we think we know about the LG G7. Release date and availability. As always with any phone, the G7's release date is a mystery. An initial rumor from the investor pointed to a January 2018 release, with the company hoping to gain a competitive advantage over rivals like Samsung, Huawei, and ZTE by launching early. That now seems unlikely since CES 2018 came and went without a peep of a G7. The smart money would have been on LG debuting its next big phone at Mobile World Congress in February, but a recent report from the investor said that LG Electronics Vice Chairman and CEO Joe Sung-jin ordered that the LG G7 be shelved and a new flagship be started from scratch. While we've listed this as the LG G7, earlier rumors from the investor said that's unlikely to be the name of the device released as a successor to the LG G6. LG was reportedly looking into retiring the G part of the name in favor of a double-digit name that would bring the LG phone parallel with the higher numbers on the iPhone X and upcoming Galaxy S9. It's clear LG is worried the name G7 might be perceived as less powerful in a competing phone with a higher number. Android police also noticed an app listing for LG Pay mention the LG G7, adding further fuel to that particular fire. That app has now been removed. LG is already hard at work with Qualcomm on the chipmaker's next-generation 845 processor, industry sources told South Korea's Asia Business Daily. According to the report, the two companies have been partnering on developing the chipset since early May, while LG decided to settle for the outdated 821 processor in the G6 to accelerate the process of bringing its product to market. Competing devices, like the Samsung Galaxy S8, recently launched sporting a more powerful 835. In working alongside Qualcomm now, the phone maker looks to avoid a similar situation next year when it launches the G7. A report from the investor earlier in May claimed that the G7 will receive an OLED display, like Samsung's Galaxy S8 and the iPhone X. The new industry trend has shifted toward OLED technology, which offers improved contrast, power efficiency, and thinner screens compared to LCD. Moving to an OLED panel would also make the G7 compatible with Google's Daydream VR, a feature the G6 missed out on. That's all the information we have on the LG G7 at the moment, but we'll continue to update this article over the coming months as we hear more. Qualcomm's estimations at the time.